How to show you the Functions menu. To access the Functions menu, you have to hit the 3 lines up at Juvo POS. This is where you access the Functions menu. You're going to be having the POS, point of sale. This is what we're looking at right now. You're going to have Bank. Bank is where you can view your shifts or add new shifts, enter paid outs, enter refunds. The button No Sale is to open the cash register for change. Checks. Under Checks, you're going to be able to view all the checks. You're going to have a search bar. You can search the check. You can select the date. You're going to have a calendar interface where you can select a date and it's going to filter the checks. You can filter by closed status, open/closed. Order type. If it's dine-in, to-go, pickup, delivery, DoorDash, depending on what order types your restaurant has. And with Juvo, you're going to be able to view the multi-platform where you can filter checks by the platform. If it's point of sale, POS, Juvo Online, OLO, or the kiosk. Tips. This is where you search for tips. If they're not added. You can search by employee and by card type. Dispatch. Dispatch is where you can view the delivery details. So here is where you're going to be viewing the delivery tickets, and you're going to be able to assign a driver to that delivery ticket. Reports. For reports, this is where you're going to have your daily reports. You're going to have the daily report. You're going to have the option to print if needed. For every report, you're going to have the option to print server bank report, drawer report, tips report, and driver report. Settings. You're going to be able to close the day manually. Devices. You can view the devices connected to your station or to your restaurant. General settings. If you want to personalize your POS, for example, the setting No Tip Prompt, No Auto Gratuity, No Image in POS. If you want to have a default order type, default floor map, default menu, remote ID, and POS ID. If you need those IDs, you're going to be able to look for it here. Last functions we have is Manager Functions Refunds, and Manager Functions Paid Outs. This is the Functions menu for Juvo.